AAON is an industry leader in the design and manufacturing of semi-custom heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products for commercial use. At the heart of our production process is a diverse group of skilled individuals. Brazing. Brazers join together pieces of metal, such as copper or steel, by using heat and a filler material similar to soldering. When done properly, the brazed joint forms a complete seal and is stronger than the original pieces. This process can be done by hand or on an auto brazing machine. Essential brazing skills include the ability to read a blueprint drawing, a focus on process, and not being afraid of a little fire. AAON offers a formal braze training for individuals that are a fit for this position but need guidance to learn the skills. Machine operations. AAON has multiple machine operations throughout our facility. Our entry-level machines require basic operational functions such as setup and managing the run process. Advanced machine operators have additional skills including calibration, troubleshooting, and computerized controls experience. Machine operators need to possess strong mechanical aptitude, tool knowledge to include basic hand tools and specifics such as digital calipers, ability to read and understand blueprints and interpret them in relation to a physical part, and attention to detail. Warehouse, shipping, and forklift operations. Our warehouse area includes a purchase parts warehouse, shipping, and receiving. This group is focused on meeting the needs of our operations team. Successful team members are process-oriented, pay attention to detail, have a focus on accuracy, and make multiple transactions utilizing a computer system. Operations of mobile equipment such as stand and sit-down forklifts, overhead cranes, and waste compactors are used in the process of fulfilling orders. Semi-custom products are our specialty. The packaging is also customized to the products. The shipping area tasks include using power tools such as saws, nail guns, staple guns, and shrink wrap packaging. Wiring. Control boards and wiring are the brain and nervous system of the HVAC unit. The control board monitors and manages all of the motors, sensors, and moving components and does all of the thinking for the unit. The wiring acts as the nervous system, connecting the control board to the various components of the AC unit and carrying electrical impulses or commands to the moving components of the unit. A wirer will read and interpret electrical drawings or blueprints and use tools to route electrical wires. The wiring must be routed throughout the control board and unit in a clean, organized, and efficient manner. Wirers use electrical diagrams as road maps to know what electrical components will be included in the electrical circuit and the best options for routing the wiring. Unit assembly. Bringing it all together is the main focus of our assemblers. These team members utilize multiple components from across our production floor, including sheet metal from machine operators, purchase parts from warehouse, and brazed assemblies to build each semi-custom unit from the ground up. Because each of our units may be different from the last, assemblers need skills such as attention to detail, blueprint reading, and hand tool and power tool use. Assemblers are an essential component in building our team. I hope you've gained insight about AAON. You have talent we need, whether you are entry-level or skilled in our variety of production positions. Learn more about our organization at aaon.com/careers and come join our team.